Now, I know that some of you in the West are uncomfortable with the concept of karma and rebirth, and I'd like to talk about that. The Buddha was a practical teacher. He had little time for rites and rituals. He was interested in the nature of suffering and teaching us how to deal with suffering. So what does this mean to us? One does not need to have the Buddhist worldview of karma and rebirth in order to be a Buddhist. In order to be a Buddhist, the only thing we need to adhere to is what is called sada. And sada is a Pali word for conviction. That is a reasoned conviction. So what we can do is we can develop a hypothesis, or what we call a working hypothesis, that karma and rebirth actually do function in the universe. It's nice to get up in the morning and have a feeling of that continuity, how we deal with ourselves, and more importantly, how we deal with others. If you talk to the scientists, mathematicians, and astronauts that got us to the moon, they will be the first to tell you that much of what they work with is what we call working hypotheses. And they were more than sufficient for the task at hand, that is, getting them up there and getting them back to Earth. In fact, much of what we talk about as being fact are really, in fact, working hypotheses. So if you're uncomfortable with saying you have faith in karma and you have faith in rebirth, that's fine. Just utilize a working hypothesis, and that way you'll be able to get the full benefits of the Buddhist teachings. May you be well, peaceful, and happy.